Hey guys, it's Leslie here. I am in my Dollar Tree. I wanted to show you a few cool things that I found. I thought these were really cute. You can put them on your desk. This girl king, girl boss. This kind of stuff probably maybe at the register. This was kind of like on a end cap near the register. And this is the Jot brand. I really like these kind of notebooks. And then it's got a little folder and then some line sheets. I don't know if these quality tweezers are any good, but it is different than the ones they usually have. I may buy two and see if it's any good. I also found some pretty kind of bronzers here. Bronzed Beauty is the color. And then Sun Goddess. And I don't know if these are any good quality here. This is a pretty angelic glow. And this is called Brazen. And then these is what I was really interested in. These pretty notebooks, very high quality. You can tell, and that's the brand. These were on the end cap near the register. They don't have my letter. If you can find these, I would definitely recommend. Cute little notebooks. These are like little decorative trays, plastic. Here, cute pineapple. Found these by the register, and these are like glass ring holders. A little cactus, and it looks like a little pineapple here. Those were also by the register. Okay guys, that's going to be it for all the cute little things that I found at my Dollar Tree. Please take the time to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya. Make sure to like and subscribe also if you haven't already.